Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make car animation in Adobe After Effects. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Open After Effects and select New Composition. Name the composition, use the preset to custom, change the width value to 950px and the height to 500px. Change the frame rate to 30, set the video duration to 30 seconds, and click OK. Double-click on the project panel and add media for your project. Now, add a landscape image to the timeline. Navigate to Effects and search for Motion Tile. Drag and drop it into your composition. Navigate to the Effects control and change the tile center value to 15,000. Click on the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe. Now move the playhead to 30 seconds and change the value to -18,000. Also, click on Mirror Edges. Create a new composition, name it, and click OK. Drag and drop the Jeep image into the timeline. Press S on the footage and decrease the size as needed. Now press P and click on the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe. Move the playhead 4 frames and press the arrow up key 1 time. Again, move the playhead 4 frames and press the arrow down key 2 times. Again, move the playhead 4 frames and press the arrow up key 1 time. Now press Alt plus click on the stopwatch icon and write this expression. Drag and drop the wheel image. Press S and decrease the scale. Press R on the wheel image and press Alt plus click on the stopwatch icon. Then write this expression. Press Ctrl plus D on the wheel footage to make a duplicate. Press P and change the position as needed. Create the final composition, name it, and click OK. Drag and drop the animation composition onto the timeline. Press S and fit the footage into the composition as needed. Drag and drop the Jeep composition onto the timeline. Press S and decrease the scale. Here you have the animation. To export your video, navigate to File and select Add to Render Queue in the Export menu. Click on Render Settings, select the quality to Best and resolution to Full, and click OK. Click on Output Module. Change the format to QuickTime and click OK. Click on Output to, select the path where you want to save your video, and click OK. Now click on the big render button. It takes some time to render and export your video. Here you have it. I have provided the source file of this project in the description so you can practice it yourself. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.